Last here from Tunic. So here we have a street glide in for a wiring rescue. Had car amps installed to this bike and the customer just kept on going with complaints and complaints. We pulled the fairing apart and saw serving bigger amplifier, walk the force gate, no DSP. So there's a sound stream reserve hitting it, which is got RC as output. But what they did was chop the harness and high level input into the serving bigger amp. But hey, they used RC as the Rockford amp. Yeah, hey. Doesn't make sense when there's RCs right there. But at the same time, yeah, it just doesn't sound that good because there's no DSP in it. So they made a bracket to hold the amplifier on an angle. Like that. So the fairing could close. Let's see, it's all rusted now because it's got water dripping on top of it. Still opening up the loom. But the surprise is here, they cut all the factory wires up. Let's open this side as well. Yeah. So what did they try to do is tap into the factory harness rather than using plug-and-play solutions. They tapped into the loom, cut it open. Hope they soldered the wires. Let's see if they soldered the wires or not. Whoa, so many tapes. Or at least they soldered the wire. Okay, so we're gonna reattach these wires, tidy it all up, make it all factory, and then start working on our amplifier wiring. Check out the bags. 6x9's facing to the floor. That's a Rockford Marine subwoofer, 8-inch. These holes, they show from the side of the bike. Super ugly. Moving on to the saddlebag. This loom was just chilling in here, rubbing against the wheel. It has got marks on the loom. Started eating the wire up. Let's see behind the side cover. Yeah. So literally just dangling inside like that, hitting against the wheel. They messed up big time on sound deadening the bags. It doesn't help at all, adds more weight. The only thing is gonna be a lot of job for us. Dave's gonna remove it all. They put in a cast 6x9 on the bike, facing to the floor. Facing literally to the floor. So you can't even hear the 6x9, it's facing the floor. There is no point of putting a speaker like that. And it's a 6x9 that's meant to be in a car, not a motorcycle. And put in a Rockford coax marine speaker in it. This was just sitting up against the side of the bag without any spacer, just chilling in there. And it had gaps on the side, covered with sound deadening. This is a pain in the ass kind of job to take all that sound deadening off, you can see. So now we've fixed it, we've removed all of the sound deadener. We fiberglassed, sealed the bags again, because they mounted the speaker like a 6x9, a car 6x9, facing to the floor over here. So we resealed it We redid the wiring, quick disconnects, heavier quality disconnects. The tweeters, they still remain. We actually utilize the same Rockford 8-inch speaker. Tidy wiring all the way, DSP in it.
Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the songs and clouds and bones I get used to. A mountain is Fontaine, spinning in monsoon and grinning this high octane. This blows how I came. Rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like the most around the castle. Stand flow, catch a second wind, then is the air I breathe. Teary eyed nose right and wipe the snow.
Just one look, and I felt so hard in love with you. I found out how good it feels. When you see us in the club, just show a little love, represent your side like me. Right here, if you slip, you get your help. But niggas run shotgun, cover up round one. Belvedere in the rear of the club, burn up on gums, and we about to go and buy the bar. So from show we play, I went